Hello everybody. This video is for let you know that you will have all our new video in English and Spanish. All you have to do is to go to configuration, track, audio track, and then select English or Spanish. This is for our new video. So we will be reloading the old video in order you have these options to you. If you want to listen, for example, this new video in English, listen this. Let me go to play.
Hello friends, welcome to your channel Angel Geraldo Tech. My name is Angel Geraldo and in this video we are
Like you can hear, the English is very clear and will be very easy for English speaker to understand our material. So this is all for now and I hope you enjoy and learn with our tutorial. See you soon. Bye bye.